How to create an Amazon wish list. How to create an Amazon wish list. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm simply going to guide you on how you can actually create an Amazon wish list on your Amazon account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, I'm going to simply go ahead and open any of the browser which I have on my device. Once you open your browser, in the search box, you're going to simply go to amazon.com. Make sure you enter the URL correctly. I'm also going to leave them down in the description box. And after you go to amazon.com, you also want to make sure that you are logged into your account. So go ahead and log into your account first of all. So let's say by default there is no wish list on Amazon, and how do we actually create a wish list or a custom list? In order to do that, first of all, what you want to do is from the top right hand side of the menu, you want to simply hover your mouse over this accounts and list button. Here on the left hand side, you'll find an option called your list, and we want to go ahead and simply tap on the first option which says to create a list. So go ahead and simply select create a list button, and as you tap on create a list, you can see we will be taken to this page right over here. Over here, what you want to select is this yellow button right over here which says to create a list. So go ahead and tap on create a list, and you can see it will ask us to enter the list name. So for example, let's say we are learning to create a wish list, so I'm going to go ahead and simply rename it to wish list. Once you enter your wish list name, you can see it also says use list to save items for later. All lists are private unless you share them with others. Go ahead and tap on the create list button, and as you can see, we have successfully created a wish list. Now, in order to add some items to our Amazon wish list, for example, let me go ahead and browse any of the product right over here. Once I go ahead and open the product description, on the right hand side you'll find add to cart and buy now, and at the bottom you'll find an option called add to list. You can tap on this down arrow icon, and then you can select the list which you just created right over here which says wish list. So go ahead and tap on wish list, and this item will be added to your wish list. Now go ahead and simply tap on view your list if you want to view all of the products which you have added to your wish list. So this was the way on how you can actually create or make a wish list on Amazon. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, also make sure to simply leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.